chair by the door is still empty tonight. Your jacket still hangs, faded by time. I'm listening for footsteps that never arrive. Years pass like seasons, I'm just staying alive. Your own smells the same, like yesterday's rain. I whisper your name, heaven's quiet again. Every candle I light burns weaker than before. My hands shake with age as I kneel on the floor. Every day, God promised my heart what my eyes cannot see. And someday you'll come back and run back to me. Taught you to pray, to stand when you fall. Now I talk to your shadow on this cracked hallway wall. The world took your hand, pulled you far from my sight. Did it give you peace, or just louder nights? My voice grows weaker, my breath feels thin, but I save my last strength for when you walk in. If my heart stops beating before that day comes, Lord, tell them I waited, I never moved on. I'm waiting, my son, though I'm fading away, still trusting God's promise bring you my way. If heaven is listening, let this be true. Before I go home, let me see you. Just you. The door's still unlocked, I'll wait till my last breath.